Hello everyone, we are the MVPs, short for Most Valuable Programmers. My name is Sarah. I'll be joined by Guy, Josh, Alina and Vera. Today we're going to show off our mobile app, Localink, guiding you through the user experience and briefly explaining how we put it all together, as well as the decisions we made along the way.
So, what is Localink? Localink is a mobile app we have created to unite people living in the same area or in the same building without the hassle of sharing personal information such as email or phone numbers with people they don't really know or people they just met, which is often the case on other social media platforms. Localink aims to be the one-stop shop for online community interaction, avoiding the need for several groups and pages across many different platforms, making all the information about a building or a neighborhood organized and accessible to everyone. I will now pass on to Josh that will walk us through the app.
So first on our tech stack is React Native. We were familiar with React, but due to us deciding to develop a mobile app, we chose to use React Native instead. For database, we used Firebase. This incorporated several features that we were going to use in our app, mainly the authentication, instant messaging, and image storage were all easily doable through Firebase. We used Expo to set up the app. This allowed us to set up a React Native app that was accessible on everyone's devices as we developed the app. We used TypeScript for language. This was to challenge ourselves a little bit more than just using JavaScript, which we're familiar with, as it was similar but still required us learning things, and also because it worked well with some of the packages we were going to use for that app. So that's the tech stack. And when the user signs into an existing account, the app gathers the user's account information from the database and assigns that info into a context variable so the rest of the app has access to it. This would include things like their username and which community they're a part of. After signing in, it takes you to the community homepage, the community that you are in. This community can be seen at the top of the screen, followed by buttons for each of the sections. I'll now hand over to Alina to talk about the community screen.
The first sections are about and management announcements. Here you can learn more about the community, useful context and updates or announcements from the community management. To explore more options, the user can click on the burger menu icon and navigate to other sections from any screen. If a user feels like connecting with others, they can head over to the chat section to engage in conversations. This section updates in real time by constantly listening for any changes to the message storage in the database. A user can tap on the Calendar tab to view upcoming events and add their own event. For this, we used React Native Calendar library. When a user selects a date on the calendar, the component retrieves the event for that date. They can also add new events by tapping the Add Event button, which navigates them to the Add Event screen. If the user is interested in buying something, the marketplace offers an opportunity to buy and sell goods. We found an easy solution to create forms with the Formic library. It works well with TypeScript and Yup package. A user can list an item to sell and upload a picture of an item from their phone. To upload pictures, we utilize the Expo image picker and Firebase storage. After uploading a picture, the user could see posted and listed item on the marketplace screen. Lost and found recommendations have similar setup to the marketplace, but used for different purposes. Lastly, if a user encounters any issues or has feedback, they can use the Report Issue feature to provide feedback or report problems. I'm just going to pass over to Guy to discuss the signing up process.
Thanks, Alina. Here you can see a new user signing up and creating a community. They're able to promote others to admin and post announcements themselves. The post announcements is strictly for admins or owners of the community. And now you can see another new user joins the community and can view the new post. One of the challenges we faced across our project was setting the context at the correct points and along all the paths the user could follow. This allowed the communities to be dynamic without having to fetch the data on every page. Alongside this, using so many new techs at once made debugging very difficult at the beginning, as it posed a lot of new errors that we had not encountered before. However, as the first week went on, this became less of an issue. These two things combined were definitely the biggest challenge of the project, but working together, we overcame these hurdles, playing off each other's strengths. As a team, we're extremely proud of ourselves and what we've achieved within Localink in the past 2 weeks. Thank you for watching our presentation on Localink.